Good morning children, it is Friday and it's the end of our week and the end of our half term. You have done a whole half term of learning at home and you are blowing me away every single day, so well done. To end our week we are going to do tricky word trucks to recap the sounds and the words that we know. So you can log into Phonics Play and you can have a go yourself. You can let me know how long it takes you, but we're going to do them all together to begin. And I'm going to change my route to the mountains because we've got a little bit of snow, and I'm going to change my truck to this one here with the carriages, and I'm going to have a bright yellow truck today. So get ready. Remember as well, year one, tricky word trucks are words that we have to remember. We don't sound them out. So see if you can say them before me. O. Water. Mrs. Thought. Many. Again. Any. Where. Looked. Called. Eyes. There. Could. Once. Would. Mouse. Asked. Laughed. Work. Different. People. Please. Friends. Should. Mister. Through. Because. Who. Thumbs up. 28 words there, so that's quite a challenge to begin with. 1 minute 37 seconds we got through them. So have a little log into Phonics Play and see how long it takes you to read those words and let me know your time. So well done. We are super readers, so I know and I am confident that you will all blow me away as always. So moving on then to our new sound, our new learning. What sound does this make? Oi. And that's a phase 3 sound, so we did that quite a long time ago. And here we've got our phase 5 sound. Oi! Well done. They both make the oi sound, but we've got two different spellings, okay? So I've put a little tip here at the bottom for you. When we see an o and an I, and it makes oi, we usually find it in the middle of words, like boil, soil, foil, okay? So when we hear the oi sound in the middle of a word, it's usually, so most of the time, it is o and an I. So that's a little tip to help you remember the spellings. And the o and the y spelling of oi, we usually see at the beginning of a word, like oyster, or at the end of a word, like toy or boy or annoy, okay? So that's a really useful little tip when we're doing the oi sound. So have a little look at them. And today, for your practice, we're going to play our table game. So like we did earlier on in the week, we've got oi at the top there and oi here, both of our different spellings. And I'd like you to draw me a table, so you can do it however you wish, and you need to have 6 spaces in each side, because I'm going to say 12 words, but I might only say a few, and then you can fill the rest in yourself, and you need to put it in the right side of the table. So, first word is going to be soil. And we've got a big clue there. The picture is underneath the spelling, so it's a good one to start us off. Soil. S-oi-l. Soil. And it's in the middle of the word, so we know from listening to my tip, it's o-i. So we're going to write the word soil in our best handwriting, thinking about those lead strokes and how tall the letters are, or if they've got any descendants on the bottom. Soil. Okay? Ready for your next word? It's going to be boy. But-oi. boy. Listen to where the oi sound is. It's at the end. Think about what I told you. Boy. Have you written it in the right column of your table? Boy has the y spelling at the end. Okay, well done. Next word is going to be joy. I jumped for joy. Joy. Did you get it right? Off it goes in that column. Boy and joy, and they rhyme. They've got the same spelling, just a different initial sound. So think about that when you listen to the other words. Next one is going to be boil. B-oil. You boil the kettle, or you boil an egg. B-oil. B-oil. It's in the middle. Where do you think it's going to go? Write it down. Let's have a look. Did you get it right? It's an R and an I. Boil. And it's in the middle of the word, so we can think about my top tips and we know it's R, I. Soil, boil, boy, joy. Okay, listen up for your next one. It's going to be toy. T-oy. Toy. Big clue as well. Easy peasy that one. T-oy. Superstars if you put it in the right place. Okay, next word is going to be foil. Foil. F-oil. Foil. Have you put it in the right side of the table? Well done if you have. Look at the other words and are you seeing a pattern? All of these words and all of these words, look at where the oi sound is. These ones are all in the middle. These ones are all at the end, and there's a pattern to the spelling, okay? Okay, next one. A little bit trickier this time. Oyster. 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 If you're struggling, write it with both spellings and see which one you think looks correct. Think about your reading. If you've seen the word, you should be familiar with the spelling. Oyster. And oi is at the beginning. So what spelling is it going to be? Well done if you got it correct. An O and a Y for oyster. And it's at the beginning this time. Oist, which is our phase 4 sound. Oyster. Oyster. Okay? Oyster. Make sure you've spelt it correctly. Brilliant. Okay, now our next word is going to be coin. 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 We have lots of coins in our purse. Coin. Think about what it is. Well done if you've got it correct. Coin. In the middle, that's the spelling. Now I've got 2 more spaces in each side of my table, and I'd like you to have a think at home of 2 words that have got the I spelling of oi and pop them underneath, and 2 spellings with the y sound, okay, and the spelling, and put them at the bottom of your table, and send me a photograph so I can see if you've got them correct, and I can also see what words you have thought of. So well done for that activity today. I like that game. I think it's really good. I think it gets our brains going and it makes us stop and think about what words we know, and also for some handwriting. So well done, good job. Now for our reply today, we've got something a little bit different. We've done our writing. We're going to think about reading some sentences, and I've used a few of the children's names. So you need to read and write the oi words that you can see and hear. So I'm going to go through the slideshow, and hopefully you have enough time to read, find the word that's got the oi sound in it, and write it on your whiteboard, okay? So we do need your whiteboard pens for a little bit of writing. First sentence is going to be Hermione has a golden coin in her purse. Hermione has a golden coin in her purse. Have you got a golden coin, Hermione? Lucky if you have. Which word in the sentence here, year 1, has got the oi sound in it? Write it down for me. And well done if you spotted the word coin. Write the word coin on your whiteboard or on your paper, and that's how we're going to do our reply today. I'm not going to do the next ones with you, so I'm going to go through them, and I'd like you to read the sentence and then write the oi word that you can hear when you're reading the sentence, okay? This sentence is all about Samuel. So what is Samuel doing in my sentence? Where is the oi word? Okay? Remember, if you don't have enough time, you can go back through the video. Next one, my sentence is about Finley. So what does the sentence say about you, Finley? Where is the oi word? Write it down. So read it out, write the oi word, and then we'll do the next one. Okay, this sentence is about India. So what does India do? What has she got there? What does the sentence tell us? Read it, look for the oi word and write it down. Remember, there's two spellings of the oi words. And this sentence is all about Logan. What does it say about Logan? Write me down the oi word. And my next one is about Fern. What does your sentence say, Fern? Find the oi word, write it down. Think about where the oi sound is. Is it at the beginning, the middle or the end? Think about the spelling. And last but not least, we've got a sentence about Charlie. What's Charlie doing in our sentence? Where is the oi word? Which spelling is it? Is it o-i or a-o-y? Write it down on your whiteboard for me or on your paper. And that is the end of our phonics for today. So we've had a fantastic lesson, okay? We were thinking about the oi sound with different spellings, o-i and an o-y. So I've got lots of photographs and lots of videos that I'm hoping to see year one. Make sure you send me a picture or a video and go back through the video if you need to remind yourself of any of those sentences, okay? Well done this week and well done this half term. We've done really well with our phase 5. I'm really, really happy and I'm definitely a very proud teacher. Have a lovely half term and I'll see you on Monday after our week break. See you soon.